For the radioactive decay data of iodine 128, when plotted on a semi-log paper with the vertical axis as R, we have not changed the values. We have changed the scale. So this scale starts from 1. The first division is the 10. The next division contains 90 values, right? It is the mark is 100 and the next is 1000, right? So it is all increasing in 10 raised to the power. So it is 10 raised to the power 0, 10 raised to the power 1, 10 raised to the power 2. So if you want to change it, it's your own choice. If you say this is 1, then the first division downward would be 10 raised to the power minus 1. Then 10 raised to the power minus 2. 10 raised to the power minus 3. So the scale jumps are multiples of 10. So if I like to show you the grid lines, if I say minor grid lines, so you would be able to see some finite lines. I have to change the color of these lines. Okay, format grid lines. Okay, so now the lines are visible. Right. For these lines, right. So x-axis lines are red, and the vertical lines, the horizontal lines representative of vertical movement, they are now darker. So you have this one, this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So as you move towards the mark, the lines are squeezing, right? So that is the logarithmic scale. It tends to contract the data towards the higher values and expands the data towards the smaller values. So straight lines appearing on semi-log paper, they are not representative of straight lines like the straight lines on a linear scale. On linear scale, they are represented by y equal to mx plus c. Here they are log of y equal to mx plus c, right? So that's how these equations must be interpreted. They have the connection with the mathematics. So you should be able to learn that connection in a wise manner. And if you compute on this scale y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, please check that one. For every different point, you will find a different value. For every different pair of points, you will find different value. Therefore, I have adopted a convention that I never call this calculation a slope calculation in case of the semi-log paper. The slope defined by y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 is only limited to linear graph papers.